We should go out for lunch today. We should go out for lunch today.
That is a wonderful idea, my dear. That is a wonderful idea, my dear.
I am very hungry right now.
Right now.
I am very hungry right now.
Me too. I did not eat breakfast. Me too. I did not eat breakfast.
Where should we eat today? Where should we eat today?
There are many restaurants on this street. There are many restaurants on this street.
Look at that restaurant over there. Look at that restaurant over there.
Which one? The one with the red sign? Which one? The one with the red sign?
Yes, it looks very nice. Yes, it looks very nice.
I have never been there before. I have never been there before.
We can look at the menu outside. We can look at the menu outside.
Good idea. Let us go and see. Good idea. Let us go and see. I see fish curry on the menu. I see fish curry on the menu. They also have grilled chicken here. They also have grilled chicken here.
This place looks clean and comfortable. This place looks clean and comfortable.
The tables inside look very nice. The tables inside look very nice.
Shall we eat here today? Shall we eat here today?
The new restaurant near the park. The new restaurant near the park.
Is it far from here? Is it far from here?
No, it is only 5 minutes away. No, it is only 5 minutes away. Let us go there then. Let us go there then.
The building is clean and well decorated. The building is clean and well decorated. That means the food must be good. That means the food must be good.
Busy restaurants always have good food. Busy restaurants always have good food.
Let us go inside. Let us go inside. The inside is cool and very pleasant. The inside is cool and very pleasant.
I like the decorations on the wall. I like the decorations on the wall.
The waiter is coming toward us now. The waiter is coming toward us now.
The view from this window is lovely. The view from this window is lovely. What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? Excuse me, we are ready to order. Excuse me, we are ready to order.
Please bring us the fish curry. Please bring us the fish curry.
And 1 grilled chicken, please. And 1 grilled chicken, please. 2 plates of plain rice, please. 2 plates of plain rice, please.
And 2 bowls of tomato soup. And 2 bowls of tomato soup. Can you make the curry not too spicy? Can you make the curry not too spicy? My husband cannot eat very spicy food. My husband cannot eat very spicy food.
How long will the food take? How long will the food take?
About 15 minutes, sir. About 15 minutes, sir.
Please bring some water first. Please bring some water first. When did we last eat out together? When did we last eat out together?
I think it was 3 months ago. I think it was 3 months ago. I am so happy to be here with you. I am so happy to be here with you. The soup is here. That was quick. The soup is here. That was quick.
Oh, wonderful! It looks very hot.
Oh,
Oh, wonderful! It looks very hot.
be careful. Do not burn your tongue. Be careful. Do not burn your tongue.
I will wait a little. Thank you. I will wait a little. Thank you.
The fish curry smells wonderful. The fish curry smells wonderful.
The grilled chicken looks perfect too. The grilled chicken looks perfect too.
The vegetables are very fresh today. The vegetables are very fresh today. Have some more rice, my dear. Have some more rice, my dear.
No, thank you. I have enough. No, thank you. Thank you. I have enough.
You must eat more. You are too thin. You must eat more. You are too thin. How is your chicken? Is it good? How is your chicken? Is it good?
It is very tender and juicy. It is very tender and juicy.
We should bring our grandchildren here. We should bring our grandchildren here.
Oh, yes, they would love this place. Oh, yes, they would love this place.
Excuse me, can we see the dessert menu? Excuse me, can we see the dessert menu?
Do you have vanilla ice cream? Do you have vanilla ice cream? I am so full now. I am so full now.
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please? Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
I will pay today. I will pay today.
No, let me pay this time. No, let me pay this time.
Fine, you pay. But I pay next time. Fine, you pay, but I pay next time.
The waiter was very helpful and kind. The waiter was very helpful and kind.
This will be our new favorite restaurant. This will be our new favorite restaurant.
Shall we walk home slowly? Shall we walk home slowly?